Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to unbox this. So this is the Jaguar XJC V12 Coupe, and this is new for 2025, and this is by Hotwheels. So this is from their Wild White Body series. Okay, I do love white bodies. So I bought this for 179, which is MRP. So I really don't know if this particular case is from which country, because see, they actually shared this for India because it has Indian MRP, but as you can see here it has, okay, what is French? Correct me if I'm wrong. I think this is French. So yeah, I did see this particular thing in only one video of one of the guy who's actually unboxing some case. I think this case only, if I'm not wrong. Maybe they went with this for literally every country, I guess. Just if you are watching from a different country, like I know a couple of our friends are from US, so you guys let me know if you also got the similar card. And there are some guys who are from, I think, Spain. Some of our friends are from Spain, and yeah, they asked me to do videos in Espanol, I guess. I don't know if that's how you call the language, but some people are asking me that. I don't speak in that language, I speak in English so that I can, reach out to everyone. Okay, so if your country, in your country, if Google supports auto translation, enable it. So in India at least it supports, because people are telling me they are watching my videos in Hindi and other regional languages, even though I'm doing this video in English. So okay, so with that said, let's unbox this one. I really want to see how this one is, given that they did that golden automotive really well. I'm really happy I actually bought that, because when we took that, we thought, that was the older casting, and my wife told me to put it back. Then we actually looked, went to YouTube studio, and we checked my videos, whatever I put. So then we came to know that it's not the same casting. So I bought that one. Okay, so here is the card art. The rims looks really nice in this one. Let's see how this one looks in this car. Okay. So here is the casting itself. So out of the box, the casting looks really nice. I mean, it looks absolutely awesome. Wow. Okay. So it doesn't have any headlight details, but the grill details are there. That is embossed and I think chromed out. That looks really nice. So okay, it doesn't have any tail light details either. I don't know what this is supposed to be, but that is an acrylic. I really, like I mentioned so many times, I do love this, slightly tinted blue acrylic for windshields. That actually looks beautiful compared to even the black ones, or even, that plain ones. So the livery looks really nice. I mean, the Jaguar lettering looks really nice, even though it's a little bit faded, but it looks good. Okay. It has rear view mirrors here, so that is also good. So if you guys know what this is, please let me know. I thought this was speakers. So okay, so the body is fully metal, chassis is fully plastic. It has exhaust details here, looks really nice. Okay, the rims looks good for this particular casting. It has good interior detailing to it, and this side, okay, both sides the windshields are actually bit down. I don't know if you guys noticed it. I just noticed it. Even this side also it's the same. That is really cool. Actually, the casting is really cool. Okay, let's weigh this casting now. 35 grams, I guess. Yeah, 34 grams. Okay, let's do a roll test. Okay, it produces a lot of noise, has a lot of friction, but it actually reaches the end of the track. It has a little bit of wheel wobble on the rear wheels. Okay, but it reaches the end of the track, so I don't have any issue with it. Okay, let's rate this casting now. See, again, they don't have any headlight or tail light details, but they went with details on, top side, on both sides, like this three-sided details. Usually they go with four side, if I'm not wrong. One side they leave it out. So here they went with only, see, some people are counting this, how I can say, these two as two separate sides. I will usually count that as one, because I mean, you are just going to print the same thing on this side also, right? But headlights and taillights are totally different. You can't paint, print the same thing on this side. That is going to be entirely different. So, but regardless, the casting looks absolutely awesome. And I'm taking zero point 0.5 out of 10 because it doesn't have any headlight or taillight details, because in the card art it looks absolutely gorgeous. So they could have just added a little bit of, at least even in black color. That would have went with this particular casting really well. That is my only like nitpick. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. And as usual, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.